up, Kid Too Technical? I'm back again with another video today. As you can see, I have two products from Whitestone Dome. They were kind enough to send me out their 30-watt charging adapter for my Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, and one of their cables that says Whitestone Dome. And I want to say thank you, and I think this is really cool that Whitestone Dome makes accessories for your devices besides just screen protectors. They make phone cases. You can get wall adapters and charging cables. So we're just gonna unbox these and test them out real quick. This is a 30 watt charger, so it should be fast. Here is some of the specs on the back. You can pause it and read it for yourself if you want to. It says Whitestone Dome. We're just gonna go open it like so and see what it's all about. You get instruction menu, but I won't need this, so we can throw it if you want to throw it. That's what I do with them, so I won't need it. So pretty much this is what the cable looks like. This is actually pretty nice. It's a nice size cable. It's a nice size brick. I mean, it says Whitestone, their W logo. On this side, this is the this is a LED. You can plug up USB, and then down here you can plug in USB type C. So you could plug this into the wall or your hub, which I'm going to plug it into that, and then I can run cables from both of these if I would like to. So this is what the cable, this is what the brick cable charging brick looks like. Now we're going to open up the cable, the charging cable. This is USB-C to USB-C, 6 feet, 1.8 millimeters or milligrams, I think. It says transfer charge. It's a braided cable, a nylon braid, so this should not tangle on you. You should have no problems with this cable. You can pause it and read some of the information if you would like to, but now let's open up their USB-C to USB-C type cable. See what we get. So as you can see, it is a black, yeah, this cable is nice and thick. You do not have to worry about it getting tangled on you. You don't have to worry about that. But it has their logo W for Whitestone. Like I said, this is USB-C to USB-C. So pretty much we can just plug in one end to your S22 Ultra, and next I'm going to plug it in to my USB-C port. But I can also be plugging something with USB, and then this is the USB-C. So now I am going to plug it into my cable, to my charging dock over here, and it is currently charging my smartphone as I speak. So this is pretty cool. As you can see here, it shows the green indicator, LED indicator, that lets you know that your device is currently connected and currently charging up. So I just want to say thank you once again to Whitestone Dome for sending me out your products once again to review. I'll have a link to where you can pick this up online. Rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.